I'm back with an unboxing today. I've gotten two Vuitton and I'm going to be looking at the Keepall 35. Here we go. Here's the box. I saw it in the store, but seeing it now again, it's just like, this is it. So let's see what we got. We've got a luggage tag on it. We've got this Monogram Eclipse sort of inverse here, which is great if you've already got something like I've got. I've got the Keepall 45. Let me just see. I can't actually see inside it. Is there? Okay, you've got your. That's odd. I've got the actual strap. I don't seem to have a padlock in here. I might have to inquire and be like, what happened to it? Does this not have a padlock on it? So, the bag itself does look really cool to see it in full. It's 35 centimeters. It's quite deep. We wanted to see if it would fit my laptop, which is a 13-inch MacBook Pro, but my MacBook Pro is like a 2015. It has a case on it, but ain't no way it's fitting. Even if you... Oh, wait a minute. Is it fitting? It might fit. Weird shape. You might need to stuff it left and right side of it, but it fits, and that's even with the like case on. I'm really happy with that. But I'm not happy that it doesn't have the padlock thing on the side. I think I'm going to keep it. You let me know if you think I should keep it or return it. Keep in mind that I also have the Keepall 45. This could be part of your carry-on luggage. Like, so you have this, maybe like a backpack. And that should basically do you like an overnight bag. I think it might be too luxury for a gym bag, but who knows. I can see myself going to client sites with my little Louis bag and my notes. You could probably fit some more stuff in here, but you can see it's in here. It's actually still in here with the strap. I was wrong. Now to get out your laptop, you might have to do a little bit of bending, but you know, it doesn't actually fit. Anyway, thanks for watching my review of this. Like, comment and subscribe.